What's up guys, got a lot of fun mail in the last couple of months, so let's see what we got over here. Oh no way, did I buy that? No, somebody sent it to me. I just bought it. This is like a charcoal starter with the chimney over here. This is so cool. Can't wait to put it to the test. Now I have two of them. I think company sent it to me. Wow, check this out. Crazy Russian Hacker new logo painting. Beautiful. That's awesome. I gotta hang it up in from Hanahan. Thank you so much. That looks so beautiful. Okay, what else we got here? Monitor stand rise. Okay, looks like assembly required. Okay, that's cool. Maybe we'll put that to the test. Not too close to my channel or what I'm filming. I do a lot of camping gadgets and I know survival. Sometimes sticky stuff. And obviously kitchen gadgets. Kind of unique. All this stuff is there nuts. Oh, okay. Wow, that's so cool. A whole box of this like snacks. That's awesome. And nuts and whatever that is. Ooh, birthday cake. Beautiful. So the title of it is Goober. Wow, that's beautiful. Check out all the pets colors in here. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the dog. And there's a cat. Okay, now let's open that. So there's a pockets of pet grooming gloves and I guess the shampoo. Yeah, it feels like a shampoo. And it's for the dogs and cats. And there's a how-to tutorial and there's a whole bunch of them in there. That's nice. I have 4 dogs. I'll definitely use that up. Okay, there's mini Goober, novelty toys and stuff. Check this out. Okay, I like novelty toys. Let's see what this is. Okay, there's some kind of shell, kind of like a 3D print.
Maybe someday. Yes. Wait, no. Never mind. Definitely yes.
Huh, that's weird.
Wish I had thumbs. I would point them both down.
This is so weird. So like a talking shell. Oh, I guess it's from the animation. Wow, I guess SpongeBob. That's so cool. Okay, what else have we got over here? Actually, I'm not going to open up this box because you can see this is a rain collection system. And I kind of want to put it to the test because it's cool camping survival gadget. We'll see what it's all about. Okay, this one is pretty heavy. Oh no way, looks like the same company sent me 2 gadgets. Single monitor glass spring desk monitor. Okay, that's what it is. So that's awesome. Maybe put it to the test. Again, it's not too close to my genre. Okay, this one comes from Singapore. Bali and Lombok. So that's cool. So this is like a map for Bali and like a travel guide. That's awesome. Bali is a beautiful place. Maybe one day when they open everything up, I'll visit. Okay, what is that? Comes from Rick. Thank you, Rick. There's a note. I'll read it by myself later. Wow, no way. I have to bring it to you closer so you guys can see. I love this vintage stamp albums. Looks like a lot of them are British and like just a mix of like bird and fish over here. Wow, look at this fish and birds. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Rick, for sending it to us. So again, looks like birds and fish and there's some mixed stuff like dolls. That is a beautiful collection of stamps. There's butterflies and space. I love space stamps. So yeah, just a vintage album over here. Vintage stamps. Okay, last few boxes. I'll open it up like that. No way. We got a bunch of helmets with little lights in the back of it. Probably have to charge it up. Oh my gosh, somebody sent me like 4 of them. It's crazy. That's a lot of helmets. What am I gonna do with that? But yeah, I think there's like a light over here. This is another box from Rick. It's a really big box. Oh wow, whole bunch of military stuff. Check this out. So, US military flask, vintage one. So like survival stuff and like homesteading book looks like. Instant chocolate pudding and pie filling. So like survival stuff over here. And looks like another one. What's in here? No way, is this a Marie? Let's check this out. Oh, never mind, that's just a box. I opened it upside down. So this is like US military food over here. Crackers, I remember we put it to the test. A whole bunch of military matches from MREs. Like a survival food. I actually had that squid not too long ago. I filmed that taste testing it. It's pretty awesome. Okay, we'll open it later. And this too. Wow, a lot of stuff. Thank you so much. Flying line, so fishing line. I love the container. This is for Alice. What is that? Oh, rainbow magic. I know what it is. Alice will have fun. This is for Catherine. I'll make sure to give it to her. Oh wow. Apollo 11. United States of America 25. This is commemorative coin. What's in here? Oh, another space commemorative coin, I think. Launch of the space satellite Discovery 1988. Oh, look at this. Kind of cool. Like a coin. A basket. Ooh, beef jerky. Dogs only. That's funny. That's for the dogs. Something for everybody. Oh, nice. Check this out. Little airplane. Alice and Catherine. Okay, let's see what is this. Oh, that's so cute. Whoops. This little, like Christmas ornaments, maybe. Yep, that's cute. Little mouse and a girl over there with the teddy bear. This for Catherine as well. She should have been doing unboxing with me right now. Oh, nice, a glove. Little statue of two horses. That's kind of cool. Oh, bunch of vintage crayons. That's more like for Alice. Ooh, this is a silver coin, 1965 UN peso. Thank you so much. I love silver, and so Catherine does too. It's for her, not for me though. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Ooh, vintage stamps with letters. That's beautiful. Check this out. Catherine money. Ooh, yeah, Catherine should have definitely opened up this box. Oh, this is funny. Oh wow, there's a whole stack of really cool coins and stuff like that. Check this out. And stamps with that. That is awesome. Thank you so much. And they covered up so well, so they stay good. There's more stamps with this little, like, I think 24 karat stamp, like plated. That's beautiful. This one is space. Wow, this is awesome stamps over here. I love space. Catherine loves space. This is so awesome. Check this out. All of this space stamps. A whole collection of them with the envelope and a stamp when it was produced. That is awesome. Looks like 1969, 71. A whole collection over here. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of actual coins, and this is a vintage money holder, I think. That's so crazy. Okay, let's see what we got here. 5 pesos of Philippines. So looks like a Walt coins. Definitely very unique coins. Thank you so much. I love coins. 977. Beautiful Walt coins over here. Okay, what's in here? This is like a junk drawer except on the next level. Wow, 1979, $1. And there's another one. I think this is silver. Beautiful. And there's another 1964, 50 centavos, and another 1957, 20 centavos. Beautiful. There's more coins. Britannian first declare coins. Oh wow, look at that toning on that coin over there. It's pretty awesome. And bunch more Walt coins. Thank you so much. That's a lot of stuff. Definitely just like a junk drawer. People sell these junk drawers for like $150, $250 easy, or even more. That's a lot. Thank you so much. I felt like I opened up a junk drawer, which is definitely no junk here. All of this stuff is awesome. Got right here another really heavy box. What is this? Oh my goodness. So there's a charger. Wow, that's crazy. I think this is a power bank, one of those, a really big one. Let's see how much. 148 80 mAh. So it can hold quite a bit of power. So this is awesome. Maybe I'll put them to the test in the camping or something like that. Well, thank you so much for another awesome fan mail unboxing video. So without you guys would not happen. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.